Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing good. Today we will review another online store, that is pridesneaker.com. In this video we will check out different details, and by the end of the video we will decide easily that pridesneaker.com is a legit or a scam website. So let's begin with the details of this store. It is actually an online shopping portal that sells footwear, especially sneakers, sweatshirts and t-shirts. Like if you are a lover of sneakers and comfortable shoes, you may buy these sneakers from this website. But before deciding either to buy the things or not, just watch the video till the end. So they have a variety or wide variety of sneakers or shoes product. They have tried to increase their popularity by adding some popular brand products such as Nike, Jordan, etc. Moreover, some of the items sold by its website are given below as Air Jordan sneakers, Air Max of White, Off-White desert shoes, moreover North Face packback. So they actually try to attract their customer by adding popular brands on their website. So just check the details of this pridesneaker.com. The website is https://pridesneaker.com. This is actually an online portal that sells t-shirts and sneakers. It was created back 17 June 2021 and it will expire on 17 June 2022. But means it is just few days old website. They have mentioned the official timing, that is from 10 to 7 on their website. So considering the pride signal, it is mentioned that their premises are located in London. However, no such detailed address is identified on the website. Moreover, they have mentioned their email address, but no contact details is mentioned on their website. They have mentioned their ship timing from 3 to 7 working days, in excluding of public holidays or weekends. Moreover, they are offering you 14 days return policy. They accept payments via credit cards or debit card. So let's check the positive point of the website, as it possesses a variety of products including sneakers, sweatshirts and t-shirts. Moreover, they mention their email address, and the site offers free delivery and return policy. But the negative point it has is that the very lowest trust rank of 2.5 out of 100 and trust index is just 1%, and it is just few days old website. No contact or address details are provided. Moreover, invalid links of Facebook and Twitter are provided on the website, and they may reject exchange products under certain circumstances. So as we have the question, either it's a legit or a scam. So the domain age is very young, the trust score is very poor, and they have fake Facebook or Instagram or Twitter links added. We are unable to find valid customer reviews or positive reviews. In fact, we have no review found on different portals. Moreover, they have just mentioned their email address, and their official address and contact number is missing. So as this website is selling branded sneakers and t-shirts both for men and women. However, after researching this website, we found that his website lacked important information such as valid official address, contact number, and all of these created an apprehensive activity towards the website. However, no such review or rating are detected on different social media platform and Trustpilot. So our final verdict is that no doubt it is an online portal that trades sneakers, has fueled together enough publicity amongst United Kingdom buyers. As per the fact and considering the Pride Sneakers review, it is too soon to judge the website legitimacy. Hence, proper research is required during purchasing, or wait for some genuine reviews to arise regarding this website. Though as of now it looks questionable, so we will suggest that you can buy the product from some other portals before you can get the positive reviews or negative review regarding this portal.